YouTube, what's happening, man? It's your boy King Brand. We back again with another video. I'm about to show y'all how to get a beard using the Dermaroller, you know what I'm saying? But before we get into the actual Dermarolling of it all, we're gonna go through what qualifies me to talk about this stuff at all. As you see, I have a beard, you know what I'm saying? If it's your first time on my channel, you might not think that this is the strongest beard you've ever seen. But if you used to watch my videos, you understand that this is an outstanding accomplishment. Like, I didn't have any of this in June. It's November right now, so you know what I'm saying? That just proves in the pudding. This is me in June. This is me in like August. And I have trimmed this down since then, but it's filled in more in places. So you know what I'm saying? I made a lot of beard progress in like 6-7 months. And I'm gonna show you that this is one of the best things that I ever used in terms of, you know, connecting the dots. And I'm gonna tell you why it connects the dots and the whole thing, man. And I just wanna let you know, this is serious business, bro. Cause I'm not one of these people who, you know, at 13 years old had a full beard, man. Like, I just got this. And I'm gonna show you how I got this as we go through this video, you know what I'm saying? So without wasting any more time, we'll get straight to it. Cut the music, let's go.
This what I'm finna set up for y'all. Whoever ain't with this, don't even ask me for that.
Now, since this is a beard growth video, before we talk about the Dermaroller, I want to talk about one thing that's killing your beard growth potential. And I didn't believe it when I heard it, but as soon as I took heed to this information, my beard started to grow. This is gonna hurt a lot of you. My apologies to the temp fade community, but if you're getting a bald temp fade, erasing your sideburns virtually every 2 weeks, the chances of you growing a full beard are slim to none, especially if it's not already there. If you want a beard, bro, I'm so sorry, but you gotta let them sideburns grow low and let them grow a little wide, all right? I know it hurts. It hurts me to tell you, bro. You just love going to the barbershop every Wednesday and letting the barber do this. You love that, man, but you want that beard. You gotta tell them to at least leave a little sideburns, you know what I'm saying? So you can let it grow low and let it go wide so you can get your beard going. I'm sorry, man, I'm sorry. But now that we got that out the way, we can get to the video. Somebody's crying right now, I know it. Somebody's crying. I'm sorry, bro. I had to be one to tell you, but I didn't believe it. All right, so now let's get into the Dermaroller. Okay, so this is my Dermaroller, all right? And you dermaroll with your Dermaroller. Understand that dermarolling is just a small piece of a bigger procedure called micro needling. And micro needling is basically a practice. We're gonna put the definition right here for you guys that want the technical definition. The real definition is, it's when you take a bunch of small little needles and create small little incisions upon the skin, hoping to cause a collagen response. Yeah. Hey, did y'all hear what he just said? Or am I the only one that's using my common sense? I mean, this man just said we're about to take this little utensil and poke thousands of holes in our face. In our faces, all just to get a beard. I know I ain't the only one here that's crazy, man. Maybe I'm crazy. Show of hands, how many of you guys are actually about to do this to your face just to get some stinking beard, bruh? Man, y'all are some stupid mother. Okay, so where did this whole dermarolling, microneedling thing come from? I'll be honest with y'all. I've done a lot of research, read a lot of articles, and I've seen a lot of conflicting facts that people wrote in these articles. I've seen that microneedling originated in Australia. I've seen Africa. I've seen East Asia. I've even seen Germany. I've seen a lot of different dates. 1993, 1905, 1800s, 1700s. And then I even seen 100 BC. And when I saw 100 BC, I realized that I no longer gave a f. I'm sorry, y'all. That's not how I normally do it. Normally, I come here with some concrete answers for y'all. But I realized that it didn't really matter to the point that I wanted to make here. The point is that they've been doing this for a long time. But generally, when somebody micro needles, the goal is to have a greater skin care. Make your skin better. Make it less acne-full. Make it better, less bumps and all that stuff. Acne-full. I'm not even sure if that's like a real word. I don't know. But just know the goal when dermarolling and or micro needling is to cause these little, you know, breaks in your skin and make your body produce a lot more collagen to heal these breaks. You know what I'm saying? Because collagen is a protein and proteins build and fix shit in your body, okay? More collagen coming to your face means there's more opportunity for what to get built? Hair follicles. See, now you see what I'm saying? And then the beard grows. See, now you making the dots connect. You know what I mean? Now we here. But to summarize all of the history for you, basically what it started out is somebody just taking like a little pin and just pop, 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 poking it all over your face. Then it evolved into somebody putting a motor in it, and it essentially turned into a tattoo needle without the ink. So you know what I'm saying? You know how a tattoo needle is needles, and it's like a whole bunch of little needles poking into you. Micro needling is basically the same thing, except for you don't have any ink, so there's no tattoo, you feel me? It's just like the holes that a tattoo causes, you feel me? And now, you know what I'm saying, those procedures are administered at like a doctor's office because it's a machine. They need like some type of licensure to do it. Acupuncturist, I think it is. But now, because they taken the motor out and they made it so like you can roll efficiently and do the holes and stuff, now you can do it at the safety of your own living room, you feel me, or bedroom or bathroom, whatever you want to do. All right, so the technique, this is how you use this thing. All right, this is how you use it. Pay attention. The first step in using a Dermaroller is to wash your damn face. All right, dirty face, dirty beard, I don't really know what comes after that, but you don't want a dirty face. Wash your face first. All right, wash your face, then dry your face, then boom, now you're ready to use the Dermaroller. First thing you want to do, all right, you want to press it up there wherever the spots you want to roll it, or you can roll it over your whole beard area that you want to beard at. But I would say roll it over your weak and problem areas, you know what I'm saying, and just give it a gentle roll, you feel me? It don't take much pressure, a little pressure, not much. Remember, you want small micro tears that you can't see. You don't want to be bleeding. This is not like going to the gym where a lot of you guys think the more I get sore, the better the workout. No, you really don't want to even feel that you dermaroll. You don't want there to be big damage. You want to just gently be able to feel the small needles poking on your skin, you know what I'm saying? As far as like the pattern in which you roll, man, that stuff doesn't really matter, because once again, I told you guys, it started with somebody just like, and then it also evolved into somebody like taking a tattoo needle and going all through here. So it doesn't really matter which way you roll, because no other machine that micro needles rolls like this. It's more so about you just doing the rolling, man. The pattern matters a lot less. What matters is that you actually hit the areas, you know what I'm saying? And that's gonna cause that beard growth to come in, man. Like I said, it doesn't take much pressure. It just takes a little consistency, you feel me? All right, boom, yep, boom. All right, so the next thing I'm gonna go over is frequency, all right? How much are you supposed to dermaroll in a month, a week, or a day, you feel me? I'm gonna tell you. Understand that it's not the tears in your skin, the dermaroller itself, that makes the hair grow. What happens is the dermaroller tears the skin, then it creates a collagen response from your body that rushes to the problem areas, and then it heals the skin and causes hair growth as a part of the healing process. You feel me? The healing process is where the hair grows. You gotta give your body time to heal from this mug right here, alright? You can't be doing this every day, or else you ain't gonna have no hair growth at all. You just gonna be tearing holes in your skin and probably get to the point where you can't have no hair growth at all. What you gotta do is, I'd say no more than twice a week. Once a week on average, no more than twice a week. And if you're gonna do twice a week, don't do back-to-back days. Do like Monday and Thursday, you feel me? You know, like Sunday and Thursday, maybe Monday and Wednesday. Space it out, bro. You got sense, common sense. Space it out. Give your face time to heal, and as it heals fully, the hair is gonna grow. That's all you need. No more than twice a week, bro. All right, now when you get into the market for looking for Dermaroller, you gotta understand that they're gonna be different lengths of needles associated with each Dermaroller, because some people want it for different things. Generally, if you want more of a skin response, you might go with like a 0.25 or something like that. If you want a beard, generally you want a 0.5 millimeter, something that's like just gonna go below your dermis, which is your second layer of skin, you know what I'm saying? And then I'm not sure why you would go much lower than that, but I found a real cool chart that kind of explains, you know, my research as a whole, what length is the best. So me personally, I've been using a 0.5 millimeter Dermaroller to grow my beard, and it's been safe, and I haven't had any adverse conditions from it. And if you're wondering about a safe, trustworthy place to get your Dermaroller, look no further than richrose.com, man, and use the code BRILLSENTME, and you can get a mean discount for your Dermaroller, man, over at the richrose.com website. And if you're really looking to maximize your beard growth, like take your beard to the next level and exhaust all options, then head over to richrose.com and get the beard growth bundle. It comes complete with the Dermaroller, a majestic mint oil for you to use on your beard, and it also comes with the beard growth ebook where we break down different concepts, tips, tricks, techniques, science, and secrets to grow your beard to the maximum capacity, man. And you get all that if you use that code BRILLSENTME at a discount, you know what I'm saying? So use that code, head over to the website, or do what you do, man. Let me know in the comments you guys' experience with Dermarollers. If you have just any more information in terms of beard growth to offer it, you got any questions, I'm gonna offer you as much information as I can. This beard growth stuff is new to me. That's why I wanted to make this video, because like, yo, this came out of nowhere, and I still have a long way to go in terms of my beard growth. It's No Shave November, so I don't plan on cutting my beard up until, I'm gonna take it past No Shave November, you know what I'm saying? I'm probably not gonna cut my beard until, I'd say January 1st as of now. If I can grow it that far, you know what I'm saying? I might get the urge to cut it, but I'm gonna try to make it to January 1st. And I wanna be able to show you guys, just like I did my hair, a transition of how my beard went from point A to point now to point Nipsey Hussle, you know what I'm saying? So I wanna show y'all the whole process, man. I'm still a beginner. I'm just showing y'all what I've learned so far in the last 5, 6, 7 months, as well as show y'all my results. It's King Grill. Peace.